Question 11, question 20 is method of elimination again. Okay, which substance are absorbed by the villi in a small intestine? So small intestine absorb what? Remember, small thing, right? Small thing. So first of all, dissect the tomatoes. No. And what else can't be? It's not absorbed in small intestine. Oh, polypeptide. Yeah, it should be decomposed into amino acid already, right? And then which one? Oh, some here, remember nettles, remember the disease, okay? The situation, okay? If you don't have the lactase to digest it, okay, then you have a stomach pain when you drink the cow milk, right? So it is there's something that should be digested and shouldn't appear in the small intestine, and you can't absorb it in the small intestine. You should break it down, okay? So not this one. So got it, glycerol, phosphate, fructose probably. Okay, so these two maybe I never thought about today. I absorb it in small intestine. Of course, most of the nutrient is absorbed. I absorbed at the small intestine, but particularly these two things. Okay, I didn't talk it in the class. Okay, so just by method of elimination, which one is too big? Shouldn't appear in a small intestine. And actually, this is the question about. So the answer is C. Okay. Hooray, we did it. Okay, see you for next question. Bye. If you like our sharing, remember subscribe and share it with your friends, okay? We want more people to hear our voice, okay? See you. Bye.